Hi there. We are at Sella's place and she is playing with some shapes that we know. There are circles. There are squares. And there are rectangles too. Let us use these plain shapes to create some new shapes today. Hey Sella, can you pick out some circles of the same size for us? Great. Now start placing the circles one over the other. Nice work, Sella. We have made a stack of circles here, and this is a new shape. What we have made here is a solid shape called cylinder. Look at the objects in Sella's room. Can you spot a few objects that look like a cylinder? Sella's shoulder bag and the flower vase have the shape of a cylinder. Now, let us create another shape. Sella, can you pick some circles all of different sizes for us? Great. Now, start by placing the largest circle on the ground. Now, place the next largest circles on top and keep doing it until you use all the circles. Nice work, Sella. We have made a different kind of stack of circles here. If we keep doing it, we will form a new shape. This solid shape is called cone. Look at the objects in Sella's room. Can you spot a few objects that look like a cone? Sella's hat and the lampshade have the shape of a cone. Now let's create another shape. Sella, can you pick some squares of the same size for us? Great. Now start placing the squares one over the other. That's right, Sella. Keep placing the squares till the height of the stack is equal to the height of one of the squares. Nice work, Sella. We have created a new shape here. Here, we have made a solid shape called cube. Which objects in Sella's room look like a cube? One of Sella's toys and the wooden box had the shape of a cube. Now, let's create another shape. Sella, can you pick some rectangles of the same size for us? Great. Now start placing the rectangles one over the other. Good work, Sella. And we have created yet another new shape. This solid shape is called rectangular prism. Can you spot a few objects in Sella's room that look like a rectangular prism? Sella's book and pencil box have the shape of a rectangular prism. We formed many interesting shapes today, but there is one shape missing. Yes, here it is. This is a solid shape that is very difficult to make using plain shapes. This solid shape is called sphere. Look at the objects in Sella's room. Can you spot a few objects that look like a sphere? The globe and lampshade have the shape of a sphere. So, we learned about 5 solid shapes today: cylinder, cone, cube, rectangular prism, and sphere. Try to find more objects of these shapes around you. Happy finding!